Okay, hi again, Mr. Breton. So basically, what I'm going to do first is label each side, and I'm going to use 2 because it's an easy number to work with. So, and then I'm going to, actually before I do that, so basically all of these angles are 60 degrees. And all of those, and 60 degrees, they all add up to 180. So you know that that's what the angles are because they make a triangle. So basically what I'm going to do is split this in half, so then we have our 90-degree angle, and then our 60-degree angle, and then this angle here would then be 30 degrees. So then if I redraw it over here so it's neater. Okay, so then we have the 90-degree angle, 60-degree angle, and then 30-degree angle. So then basically the 2 stays the same because this line here we just brought over to here, so this is 2, and that would be the hypotenuse because it's the longest side. Okay, so that one. And then we'll just do that as the C because that is the hypotenuse. And then here, the reason I picked 2 is because it's easy, because then you just split it in half, so this side would then be 1, so that will be A. Okay, so then basically after that we have to just find B, which is the other side, so we can just use A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 1 squared plus B squared equals 2 squared. And then we have 1 plus B squared equals 4. And so you can minus 1 from both sides, and you get B squared equals 3. So I'm going to move it, or actually I'm going to move the work over here because I can't go like past the screen. Okay, so then we have B squared equals 3. So in order to cancel out the 2 squared, we can do the square on both do the square root of both. And so then that cancels out the 2, so then you get B equals the square root of 3. So B is the square root of 3. And then you have all of the side lengths, and that's how you turn it into half of this. So you get your special triangle. Yep, that is all.